Hey guys, Brian with Beastride again. I'm going to show you how to replace this GE washer agitator, and we've got a new one that came in from Parts Select. This is the model number here, GCWP1800D1WW. The model number is going to be different for this piece. Now, why do we need to replace this? Because look down here at the bottom. This has broken off here, and as you can see, this one next to it has broken off as well. So these fins you can kind of see there. In the meantime, these get sharp and break off and they're gonna ruin your clothes. I've found that you can put electrical tape on them and it'll kind of blunt the sharp edges until you can get your new agitator. This is the part that came in. I'm gonna put a link in the description for the part that I had got here. All right, this did have packing around it. It looks like the same piece here. Now I do not see the cap on the top, but that's not a problem. We can just reuse that one hopefully. Let me just see if this pops off, and we'll have to clean this out, of course. It's a little dirty, but just to line the ridges up here. It was tough to do with one hand, but it did go flush down. So let's set this to the side here for a minute, and we are going to take this one out. Some people think you may need a special tool or something like that. As you've seen in my other videos, all you do is you just put your fingers underneath like this. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. My fingers are just going underneath this wide base here. I'm going to pull straight up hard, and I'm going to kind of look away just in case so it doesn't pop me in the face. So that one is out. You can see the coupling down here. That looks okay, and it's pretty easy. All you do, take the new one, and we're going to push it back down here. And so if you can see, one little trick, it's a little hard if it's a newer one to go straight on. The actual fins, they line up with these little tracks here. And these tracks you're going to want to have go down where the little protrusions are right here. So you can kind of line them up. So let's line up one of the fins with this track here, for instance. I think we got it on there, we'll see. And then you push it straight down. There we go. And one way you can test, it's catching when you move it back and forth like this. You can line it up by using these fins, and you can kind of push it in at an angle, and the fin lines up with the coupling. There's a little indentation with the coupling, and it kind of, the male end fits into the female end, it slides down. That's a lot better. We've gone ahead and replaced the GE washer. This is agitator. This is what the old one looked like here. I mean, this design probably isn't the best. I like the ones where they kind of just stay close and they go to the end of the tub. But as you can see, this one was going to break off. This one is broken off. This one was hanging on by dear life with electrical tape. I'm going to put the part number in the description as well as the pinned comment. And I'll go ahead and link to, this was from Parts Select. It came here pretty quick. They do ratings on the site. And this came in about 2 days, a little under 2 days.